Hello, everybody. Oh, too many distractions. Wesley just interrupted, and I have to say hi. Oh, he's gonna look away. Anyway, that was rude. Hello, how are you today? I'm doing well. Wesley refuses to be in the vlog. There's a noise. It's not that loud anymore, apparently. But anyway, I just noticed that Wesley... One shot. You can just do it all in one shot. Anyway, Wesley just pointed out this video camera to me. Look. Let me see if I can get it. There. There's Cisco cam. So sorry about the noise. Darn. That Wesley just said, this is late tech for you. Got the ghetto in it. What is that? What is it? I want to know what they're doing. You do it. You do it. You do it. I'll record you. I'll record you. You go do it. Wesley's enacting what I would do. Anyway, I'm still at school. I'm in my break. Shut up. Shh. So, yep, this is that's the hallway. There's the mysterious door that the sound is coming from. Room 308. So, I don't know what they're doing in there, but it's annoying and they need to stop. It's annoying. So, I could not do this. Just a few minutes, it'll be over. He can't do it in all one shot, apparently. Apparently he can. It's impossible. Okay. So today is my orientation. I'm all dressed pretty light for my orientation. What the heck are they doing? That's all I want to know is what the heck are they doing in there? I really do want to know. But anyway, yep. So today's vlog is going to be short because that's annoying. I'm just going to like post this all as is. I don't even care. It's just going to be the way it is. Hopefully they're finally done. I don't even know what they're doing. What are they doing? Are they drilling holes through the floor? What are they doing, Wesley? Do you know? He doesn't know either. Wesley refuses to... Give it here! Give it here. Wesley just showed me this picture. This is... Look at that. He's such a nerd. He's a nerd. We're both nerds, kind of, I guess. So, yeah. Oh, I was watching The Office yesterday, and it was the Halloween episode. And he was eating a pack of nerds, and this one guy, Dwight, was eating a pack of nerds. And Jim walks by and he goes, look Jim, I'm eating you. I'm eating you. They're nerds, and I'm eating you. And so we just started laughing. And then he told everybody else. And it was just so stupid. Ha ha, I'm eating Jim's. Ha ha, I'm eating Jim. It was so stupid, but it was hilarious. Anyway, so I'm about to go to anthropology. That's one of the easier classes that we have this semester. And it's okay. The first part was gruesome because all we talked about was evolution. It was bad. Wasn't it, Wesley?
It's horrible.
Horrible. He refuses to be in my blog, but he'll talk to me while I'm blogging. I was going to try and sneak attack camera him, but it's not happening. That's what he thinks. He's laughing. He hid himself now. He's like a glob of black and jeans.
Hey, black.
Your jacket is black.
Oh.
You automatically went to the racist. So yeah. Should be over in a few seconds. Oh my gosh, the floor is vibrating. Wesley. Did you feel that? This is Wesley's cousin and my friend Dekenna, and he's acting like Sean Kingston. Look at that. It looks like they're like twins. It just looks like they're like twins. Look at this. Twins. Anyway, I'm gonna make today kind of short, unless Wesley shows me some more funny stuff, and I might show you, because that drilling is really annoying, and our floor literally just vibrated. And me and Wesley were anyway, me and Wesley were joking, and like, what if this floor started to like crack open, right? I'd be like, Wesley, because he had his phone on the bench. I'd be like, Wesley, don't forget your phone. And he was like, oh yeah, and he pretended to run back and get it, and he was like, okay. And then I was like, wait, don't forget my book bag either. Yeah, my book bag. Like, I would make him go back and get my book bag, because I sure as heck ain't running back. He said he would forget my book bag and leave it, but that's okay. He bought me lunch today. Thank you, Wesley. He's being mean and rude, but he's really nice. Yeah, he bought me lunch, and I'm gonna pay him back, so it'll be okay. Anyway, on good news, my mom's car is fixed, so I have a way to orientation today. Woo, party! I'm so excited. I finally have a job after 18 years of looking. I finally found the job. I tried to sound mysterious and Wesley just laughed at me. That was really lame. But anyway, he finally subscribed to my videos and watched them. So, yep. He's trying to watch yesterday's because he wasn't feeling good yesterday. That's why he wasn't here. And, yeah. And some strange dude sat next to me in music. I didn't mention that, but I had somebody. It was really weird to have somebody else sitting next to me. Every time I look over to say something to Wesley, this dude would look at me like, what? I'm like, oh, never mind. Sorry. He's one of the quieter ones in the class. Yeah. But anyway, yep, that's my day so far. The annoying noise has seemed to stop, which is nice. I can vlog. Oh, look, a nice view of outside. Look at that. Look at that. It was beautiful. Not as pretty as yesterday's when I actually was outside with stupid wind. Oh, they are not starting up again. Well, anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. Have a glorious day. Anyway, night again.